Beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick review of this sensational butter lace wig. So if you want to see how I installed it and how easy it was, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe to the channel, also turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm just going to be doing a quick look. I purchased this wig and I just figured let me come on here and try it on with you guys. It's the butter lace HD lace in the What Lace collection. I got mine in a 1 and it's by Sensationnel. So that's the package, how it comes. Right, so this is how the lace looks. So they're showing the normal lace and then the HD lace, which is much more defined and it's more plucked. So let me just, you know, put it on with you guys and see how it goes. It's very long. So the construction, I mean, it comes with the lace all the way around. I'm sure I'm gonna need some powder on here. It has 2 combs in the front, one here, one comb in the nape, and then the adjustable straps here. So my hair is not even braided properly. I had my hair in a ponytail, so I just kind of did some big braids going back, barely, just connect them. And I'm just gonna put this under her cap. Alright, I have a little stretchy stocking cap here. I'm gonna have to get some stocking cap. I don't know where the stocking caps they disappearing to. They just disappear. Okay. Got a hole in the front. I mean, come on. I bet I have a lot here. They're just hiding. Okay, so let's push it back a little bit. We're gonna flop this on. I think I'm gonna adjust it a little bit first, just in case. Well, let's see how it feels before I adjust it. And it comes with baby hairs. I probably don't need to adjust it yet. I know I'm not a baby hair girl too much. Okay. It's nice. I'm just pushing the baby hairs back. Let's see how far it goes down. Okay, the length is okay. More than likely I'm gonna cut off down here. Alrighty, so I went to go get my Love Me hair wax. And I'm gonna put that, I can open it. Just brush the baby hairs going back. And if I need to bring some forward again, I will do so. Okay. And it's the middle part, as you can see. Alright, I'm gonna put some at the top here. Alright. I have my pressing comb sitting here, so I'm just going to make sure it's not too high, and I'm going to flatten out the top part right here. I'm gonna do one side. Let me just take a little bit of the baby hairs going back on the front. Alright, you guys could see one side of the parting and then the other side. The other side is a little bit more humpy. This one you could wear to a holiday party. You know, if you don't have time to do your hair, if you don't want to do your hair. By the window, so I hope the sun isn't shining too much. Alright, just put this back. Okay. If you're a baby hair girl, you can always, you know, leave the baby hair here. I'm gonna probably do a little bit, but not a lot. Okay, so now that it's flat how I want it, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna cut off the lace and come back and show you guys. Okay? Okay guys, I'm back. So I cut off the lace and I use one of these jagged edge scissors. So I'm just gonna, and I put a little bit of foundation on the inside. So let me just pop it back on for you guys really quick. It's not really a tutorial, I just want to show you guys how the wig looks. And it's looking like that. So you just take your foundation brush and just go around the front to cover up the lace to make sure it matches your skin. And I'm not gonna glue it down or anything, guys. This is just a quick throw on to get me out the door. If later on, if I feel like it, I'll put some baby hairs, but for now, so we're looking. And I'm just straightening out the parts. See? Cute wig, right? I'm gonna put on my sweater and then I'm gonna show you guys how the back part looks. Nothing crazy. Okay guys, and this is how she's looking. That's the front. That's how it looks in the back. I hope you guys can see it. Just something quick that you throw on. And I like the layers in the front. And there you have it. And just like that, guys, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope that it was easy for you to follow. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, share with a friend. I'll leave the link down below. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.